Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. So let us explore about polynomial functions. What are the objectives of our lesson? First, we will identify polynomial functions, and then the second, we will illustrate polynomial functions. So what is polynomial functions? In general, a polynomial function is defined by f of x is equal to this given expression. So it always starts with f of x or y or any letter. Next, where a sub 0 and a are real numbers. So this one, a sub 0 and a are real numbers. And a sub n should not be equal to 0. Pag nag-0 yan, this is not polynomial function. And then n is non-negative. Hindi pwede magkaroon ng negative exponent. Kapag nagkaroon ng negative exponent, that is not polynomial functions. Next, wherein a sub n, x to the n, is the leading term. So this one is the leading term. A sub n is considered as the leading coefficient, is the numerical coefficient of the leading term. And then a sub 0 is the constant term. So let us compare polynomial functions, polynomial expressions, and polynomial equations. So as you can see, this is polynomial expressions. So parehas lahat ng given ng polynomial function, expressions, and equation. Ano yung pagkakaiba ng tatlo? Sa polynomial function, it starts with f of x and then y, while the polynomial equations ends with 0. So let us identify the leading term, the leading coefficient, the degree, and the constant term of the polynomial functions. Number 1, f of x is equal to 11x cubed minus 2x plus 7. What is the leading term? Correct, that is 11x cubed. The numerical coefficient of the leading term, so that is the leading coefficient, so that is equal to 11. The degree of the polynomial is equal to 3. And the constant term, yun yung number, so that is equal to 7. Next, let us proceed. Number 2. f of x is equal to 4x to the fifth plus 4x cubed minus 3x plus 10. Hanapin yung mataas na exponent. So the leading term is 4x to the fifth. The leading coefficient is the numerical coefficient of the leading term, so that is equal to 4. And then the degree is equal to 5. And yung number, so that is the constant term, so that is equal to 10. Next, number 3. Y is equal to 6 plus x cubed minus 31x. So identify the leading term. Correct, that is equal to x cubed. The numerical coefficient of the leading term, so that is equal to 1. And the highest degree of the leading term is equal to 3. The constant term, yun yung number, so that is 6. Next, how about number 4? Y minus 3 is equal to 7x to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 5. So the leading term is equal to 7x to the fourth. The numerical coefficient of the leading term, so that is 7. And then the highest degree is equal to 4. And then how to get the constant term? So dalawa yung number na yon. So negative 3 going to right, that becomes positive 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So the constant term is equal to 8. Instruction: pause the video and determine the leading term, degree, and constant term. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much!